So here at ZSL Whipsnade Zoo at our greater World Rhino enclosure, we had a baby rhino born just 9 days ago to mum Behan. He's doing really well at the moment, and we named him Bali. He was born on last Sunday. We've got cameras set up, CCTV, so we can film the birth whether we were here or not. The keepers stayed right up until around 6 o'clock when we normally leave, but because it's her fourth calf now, we weren't too worried about having to stay and keep an eye on her. And he was born about 21 minutes past 6. Everything went fine. And then we weighed him the next day and he weighed 76 kilos. And they can put on about 1 to 2 kilos a day. Yeah, so it's always good news that we've had a successful birth anywhere in the zoo, and especially with our rhinos, but especially at this time of the year because it's very close to World Rhino Day, which is on the 22nd of September. So Behan's a very experienced mum. She's had 4 calves in the past, 1 girl and 3 boys. So yeah, we didn't have any worry leaving her unattended for her birth, and her and Bali are doing really well. In the wild, they're not doing too good. There's only about 3,000 of them said to be around, and which would class them as vulnerable. So to have an extra birth just recently is great news as part of the breeding programme that ZSL is part of. In the wild, ZSL also helping with conservation projects out in such places as Nepal, so as well as looking after Behan, Bali, Baluki and Hugo here, they will also be looking after their cousins out in the wild too.